On this day 2 years ago, I received my very first Highline lace top wig. It completely changed my life. I have completely converted into wearing Highline lace top wigs. I now own 5 of them, and this one, my very first one, is still going strong. So this is the video that I took 2 years ago, and I wanted to show you how it's changed. The quality is still absolutely there. This is the colouring today. I filmed this today, exactly 2 years later. So I haven't had it cut, I haven't had it coloured, I haven't had it touched up at all. I have noticed that there is a bit of tangling at the nape, and that happened about a year in, so you can see those hairs. So I need to use some detangling spray. But the quality of the hair, it is still impeccable. It's absolutely amazing still. There is no way that these only have a shelf life of only 6 to 8 months or whatever they were originally supposed to have. I have trimmed the lace a little bit once, however, it has not frayed. The lace to me still looks transparent. I wipe it regularly with a makeup remover wipe or a baby wipe. As you can see, it is still very transparent. The cap itself, I don't feel has adjusted, like it hasn't stretched very much, so it stayed true to size, which is great. The hair is still absolutely amazing. There is no way that this is reaching its shelf life at all. I'm so impressed with this quality and the cap and the make, everything about it. It has had very little shedding, but as you can see, it is still completely full. There is no bald spots. That lace still looks great. The hair was originally blonde, so there wasn't any need for any bleaching of the knots. I do feel that the baby hairs around the front are a little bit dry. I've never used conditioner on them, but now 2 years later, I think I might put a bit of a mask on them just to soften them a little bit. But overall, the hair still feels amazing, and this wig still has plenty of life left. Very impressed.